yeah, that's pretty much it for this intro. My boy! My girls! Okay, hear me out. I am quickly joining because I don't have for long anymore. Wait, what?
Oh, hell no!
Of course I'm not gonna die. I'm simply going out. Yeah, it happens sometimes. So for today we're coloring this drawing.
Nani?
I don't have any more toilet paper and the store is closing in 10 minutes, so I have to be quick. This video will be all about coloration. I think it's such an important thing that I will do a complete and detailed video about it. So let's say I'm bringing to you a simple introduction for today. And I know I'm kinda late, you know, stuff, memes, Bowsette, not used to that. So let's go, see you, good luck, have fun, like, subscribe, comment, you know the song.